Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and it's time to take a look at the new iPhone 15 from Apple. You can probably guess which color option I did get. Now, I want to talk about what's different about this phone, and then maybe even throw up some photo comparisons with the iPhone 15 Pro, which I did also just unbox. I will link to that video down in the description below if you're interested in checking that out. Also, a lot more Apple content coming soon, so be sure to click that subscribe button so you're notified when that goes live. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox the newest iPhone 15 from Apple. Let's get started. And here it is, the green iPhone 15 with a custom box with a specific color that you order. Opening it up, inside, here's a first look at that green. It actually looks really good. I like the matte back that it does have, and a little more glossy camera module there, but this actually looks really good. I'm a fan so far, but setting that to the side for now, let's check out what else we get. Designed by Apple in California, taking this out, more information about your SIM card. Not a fan of eSIM yet. It's just not ideal when transferring SIMs on any carrier, and also an Apple sticker. And finally, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. No more lightning cable needed with the USB-C port, and this is the signature braided cable from Apple. And on to what you came to see, the new iPhone 15. I have to say, let's take a quick close look. I know I do this later in my unboxings usually, but this back green color is just so cool. I don't know why, but I really like it. Anyways, I'm gonna boot up the iPhone 15. Let's take a closer look at this hardware. Down at the bottom, we have our microphones, a USB Type-C port. So this is new, upgraded. This is the connection that Android phones have had for a while now, plus one of our speakers. Moving along on the right side, this is where our 5G antenna is, and a power button. Make note of that camera bump. It's fairly minimal overall with our dual camera system. And up towards the top, absolutely nothing. Along the left side, the toggle for silent and ring still exists on the iPhone 15. It's just a button on the iPhone 15 Pro. Let me grab that real quick so you can see the difference. So this is just an action button, so you can remap it to different things, whereas this is just a toggle that the standard iPhone has, plus our volume rockers along the left side. How about one more look at that matte green colored back with the Apple logo and our dual camera system. You have a 48 megapixel main camera sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, so missing that dedicated telephoto lens. However, you can go up to 2 times telephoto at 12 megapixels with their quad pixel sensor. So we will test out the 2x optical zoom on this phone. It prompts us to set up Face ID. I'd like to point out the dynamic island on the base model is new. It was not on the iPhone 14, but they did bring it over from the iPhone 14 Pro. Let's set our face up very quickly, position our face in frame, move our head in a circle. Super quick and easy. If you'd like to use it with a mask or without a mask, you might have to re-register your face one more time. Boom. There we go. Second Face ID complete. We'll test it out in just a second. And we are all set up and ready to go. Before we talk about the display, let's talk about how we can protect it with our sponsor from Gadget Guard. So big thanks to Gadget Guard for sponsoring this video. They make high quality accessories and protection for your phones and devices. It does have Flex with Ultra Shock, so it's an added material that will absorb any sort of stress upon impact. The installation of the Gadget Guard screen protector was super simple. It comes with an alcohol wipe squeegee, dust removal sticker, and a cloth. Side note, they also have a polishing cloth, which is antimicrobial and has a micro suede texture to it. It's really nice. When I say really easy, I mean it. This is the easiest installation process I've ever seen from Gadget Guard. All you have to do is make sure the screen is cleaned and then set it into the tool that has everything all ready to go for you. Peel the top off, and there we have it. Gadget Guard is 10 times stronger than traditional glass. It's flexible, shatterproof, and guaranteed to protect your device. This is also backed by Gadget Guard's lifetime warranty. When you register on GadgetGuard.com, you get the Guard Plus Promise, which will pay up to $350 towards device screen repairs. It's really peace of mind for you. So to protect your new iPhone, be sure to go to GadgetGuard.com. I will link to it down below. The iPhone 15 has a 6.1-inch OLED display at 2556 by 1179 resolution. Love that it's an OLED display. I do wish it had a higher refresh rate. It is only at 60 hertz. Some people can notice it, some people can't. I just can, so I do wish it had that. Now with our screen protector installed, let's do a quick face unlock test. Oh, very quick, very snappy, recognizes my face right away, and a camera's in front of me, so that's very good to see. Tap the screen, you'll see that padlock. We're good to go right away. Side note, it does have an IP68 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. So if you get a little water on it or, you know, dust, don't worry about it. Now let's dive into that camera application real quick. Snap just a few quick pictures. Shutter speed is very snappy. Now, a feature that's really cool that isn't just on the 15 Pro that I wanted to point out. Right here, I'm gonna snap a quick picture of this, but I'm gonna tap on the screen and you'll notice a little F in the bottom left. If you quickly press that, it will turn it into a portrait shot. So you don't have to switch over to portrait mode. It's ready to go there. And you'll notice, look at the background, way less blurry there. If I go into it here, you'll see much more blurred. And you can change how blurry it actually is right here. So if you go to edit and portrait, you'll see the f-stop can change. So you'll see very blurry, less blurry. Really nice feature. If you'd like to take advantage of 48 megapixels, you're gonna have to go into camera settings. First of all, I'm gonna turn that grid on because I like to have that. Go into formats and resolution control right there. Photo mode, you can set to 12 or 24, but resolution control will allow you to go all the way up to 48, only if you're in the 1X. So if I go to, I have to press this HEIF max on the upper right-hand corner and snap this picture. Now, I'm gonna go into information about it and where is it? Where is it? Why am I? There it is, bottom left. 48 megapixels right there. Very quickly, let's test out that face unlock. Works great through that Gadget Guard screen protector that I did install. So if anyone was wondering about that, no worries there. Anyways, let's go and take a few different pictures between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 15. Just throw up a couple comparison shots. As promised, a few different comparison shots. Keep in mind the lighting was solid and 5x zoom on the iPhone 15 is digital zoom, so it's going to look better on the 15 Pro Max. But overall, they both did a really good job. I would say the 15 Pro Max probably handles the exposure a little bit better, but still in good lighting, iPhone 15 takes solid pics. Anyways, that is it for me on the new iPhone 15. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. I do really like this green color. Definitely give it a look, give it a consideration because it does look really good. I do believe the other colors are also going to look really good with this matte coloring. Thanks again to Gadget Guard for sponsoring this video. But anyways, be sure to subscribe. A lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.